Hello, friends. Welcome to Midas Touch Greens. As we are nearing to the end of this year and we are gearing up to warmly welcome New Year's 2021, I'm Vandana Jain, interior stylist, Vastu expert, numerologist, color consultant, and an Astro Vastu researcher, is here with you to tell you how to start your new year with right resolutions to upgrade your trade, business, and personal life. So stay tuned to know more about the numerological and Vastu tips to enhance and usher New Year with more merrymaking. As we know that this year's 2021 is giving us number one, unlike 2020, which only gave us two digits. This year is giving us three digit and giving us number one in our numerological chart. This talks about new beginnings, new endeavors, new opportunities, new vision, and new and fresh energy in the natal chart. So it's a good sign that this particular year is giving us back our number one in our numerological chart. So people who are going to be born in this year are going to be high spirited. And this year's total is adding up to number 5. Number 5 is the attribute of planet Mercury in the solar system, and planet Mercury is planet Budh in astrology, that is a planet of mind and memory, communications, talks about a lot of sharp and analytical thinking, sharply witty nature. So people who are having number 5 in their date of birth or in the total of their date of birth will be having really interesting time in this year. With number 5, there are certain number which are very favorable. So if your date of birth combination is 1 or 5, 4 or 5, 5 and 5, 6 and 5, 8 and 5, then this year is going to give you a lot of good energy with a spirit of change, adaptability, and you will be sailing it through easily. With the rest of the numbers, number 5 is also not inimical. It is neutral in nature except for number 2 and number 9. So you don't have to worry that if you're having number 2 and number 9 that this year is not going to be good for you. Every number has positive vibrations and each number in each year will be benefited in one or the other way in every year. So this year we are going to be getting the benefits of Lord Mercury, that talks about spirits of change, adventure, fresh energy, high energy in everybody's life. So take this opportunity and revive and recharge from the fearsome 2020 to the new beginning of 2021. We are going to be sharing with you some of the remedies to enhance your Mercury in your natal chart so that you will start your year in a right note. So here are following tips. We all know that astrologically we are aware that which planet is favorable and which planet is not favorable to us. So if you know that your Mercury is weak but you have it in your numerological chart, do these following tips to enhance your luck this year. Number 1 tip is to donate green fodder to the cows on Wednesday. It can be spinach, you can donate grass, you can donate Gopal Laddu to them. Number 2 tip is to take the blessings of the transgenders. Number 3 tip is to donate study material to the kids who can't afford books. Number 4 tip is don't keep a caged parrot in your home. Number 5 tip is to apply white sandalwood paste on your forehead to enhance your intellect. Number 6 tip is always remember to respect the younger sisters and the female folk in the family. If you can, then give them in gift green bangles and green saris. Next tip is to keep your tongue and skin clean because Mercury is attributed to communication and to your skin. If you use these tips, this will enhance your luck, your Mercury luck that benefits us in trade and business and makes our memory sharp. So all of you all, it is a neutral tip that this year try and read, think, meditate and then speak. This will automatically will enhance abundance in your life. There are certain tips which are neutral to all the numbers. You don't have to be any number to follow them, but this will help increase the positivity and increase the opportunities in your life. So the neutral numerological tip for all of you all is that to add Panch Tattva in your prayer, in your puja time, by adding water, fire, fragrance, bells, chantings and prasadam. So automatically the combination of all these things will add Panch Tattva in your prayers, and the element of 5 directly indirectly will be enhanced in your life. So don't forget to follow the right way of praying this year. Also, we are giving you some Vastu tips because we would want your residence, your spaces in office or in your homes to be as auspicious and as prosperous for you in this year. So here are some of the tips to enhance your luck in your spaces. This year is talking about Mercury, so we definitely would want to enhance Mercury or Lord Kubera, because in Vastu, the Mercury is the planet that sits along with Kuber god in the north direction of the space. So this particular direction, north direction, which is ruled by Kuber, needs to be recharged and checked properly so that it will support the opportunities in your life, open the doors for more and more abundance and opportunities in your life. Number 1 tip is to see and check that your north, exact north in your house, is not filled with any bulky furniture like wardrobes or bedrooms or beds, or it is not stuffed with anything which is embracing negative energy like a shoe rack or mob or toilet, because it drains out the auspiciousness or the good flow of energy from this direction. Number 2 tip is to check that what is the material of the wall clock in this direction. So if you have anything in the clock which is not in wood and which is in dark color, please remove it. It is suggested that in north direction you use a wall pendulum clock to recharge the energy of northern god Lord Kubera. Number 3 tip is to check if there is any empty color in your north direction, because this direction removes the obstacles from your opportunities. So if there is any empty color like a gray or a brown or a black or any deep color, then remove it and replace it with green color, the emerald green, yellows and yellow colors, or you can use white, simple white. This will enhance your prosperity in opportunities. Number 4 tip is to check that if you have any defect in this direction and you can't change it, you don't want to do any remedy with construction, then do the above that we've just spoken about and add Kuber Yantra, and if possible, add a small mirror to enhance the luck of this direction. Also, next tip is, if you can write your dreams, your desires on a white piece of paper with green ink and place it in the wish pyramid, which is not a plastic pyramid but a metal pyramid or a wooden pyramid, and keep it in the northern direction. This will activate the wishes and it will be fulfilled shortly. But remember that you have to be active for the same wishes to come alive. Next tip is, in order to remove obstacles from the unproductive expenses from your life, do add orange or red color in the southern east part of your house. Next tip is to add jade plant in the green pot and keep it in the north direction. If you can't place that particular pot on the windowsill in the north direction, you can keep a money plant in the blue or green bottle and place it in the southeast direction of your house. I hope these remedies of numerology and Vastu Shastra will enhance abundance and increase the opportunities of prosperities in your life. And if it will, then definitely let us know so that we keep on making such videos for you. I wish all the viewers a very happy and a prosperous new year. Keep watching and enjoy this new year with a fresh vision and fresh energies. Happy New Year and stay safe, stay home. Take care.